Ever thought about the hidden dangers lurking under your feet? Especially when those feet might be stepping on pet stains.
Yeah, I get
It
that.
turns out walking barefoot on carpets that have pet stains isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a potential health hazard.
Right, because those stains can actually harbor harmful bacteria, right? I'm curious, what kinds of bacteria are we talking about here?
Exactly, we're talking about bacteria from urine, fecal matter, and even vomit. They can include nasty things like E. coli, salmonella, and even Clostridioides
Yeah,
difficile.
that's wild.
These bacteria can cause skin infections, respiratory issues, and gastrointestinal problems if they find their way into cuts or cracks in your feet.
So it's like every time you step on one of these stains, you're potentially giving those bacteria an open invitation to cause infection, right?
Right on. And here's something else. These bacteria are not just hanging around for a couple of hours. Under the right conditions, especially with moisture from the stain, they can survive for weeks, even months. It really
That's
underscores the
concerning.
need for keeping your carpets thoroughly clean, especially if you have pets at home.
I mean, it almost makes you think twice about taking your shoes off at home. But sometimes people prefer being barefoot for comfort. Isn't that a bit overblown, though? Tell me what you think.
Well, I get the comfort factor, but imagine if you have even small cuts on your feet, even minor abrasions can act as
Yeah, for
entry
sure.
points for these pathogens. And indeed, it's not just about aesthetics. It's about preventing serious health risks like skin and systemic infections.
That makes a lot of sense. So, what measures can pet owners take to mitigate these risks without completely giving up that barefoot comfort?
Great question. Regular, thorough carpet cleaning is key. Using enzymatic cleaners and even professional services like those offered by Lake Geneva Carpet Cleaning ensures that any lingering bacteria are properly
Right,
removed.
that's a practical
And if you
approach.
do decide to go barefoot, maybe opt for designated shoe-free zones where the carpets are cleaned regularly, or even wear soft, washable footwear indoors.
I appreciate that balance. So, prevention, proper cleaning procedures, and being cautious about where you walk barefoot are all part of the solution, isn't it?
Absolutely. Plus, using techniques like UV light inspections can help you detect hidden stains before they become a bigger
Yeah,
issue.
that's pretty
And
clever.
honestly, acting quickly, so whether you spot a stain or odor, there's no time delay in cleaning, it really helps reduce the risk of bacterial proliferation.
It sounds like pet stain prevention isn't just about keeping a tidy home, it's literally about protecting our health. I mean, who would have thought a seemingly minor oversight could lead to such serious consequences, right?
Exactly. It's all interlinked. There's hygiene, health, and the longevity of your carpet. Regular maintenance not only keeps your living space visually appealing, but also safe for you and your loved ones. In the end,
Right, really
it's a
eye-opening stuff.
win-win for both cleanliness and well-being.
Totally. So, pet owners, whether you're a die-hard barefoot enthusiast or just in it for comfort, consider making some changes to protect yourself.
Absolutely. Step up your cleaning game and maybe reconsider that no shoes policy, especially in high-risk areas. It's like investing in a healthier lifestyle one step
Yeah,
at a
I can
time.
definitely see
Stay
that.
safe out there and keep those carpets clean.